Help Me with Stats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the data table for a Pearson correlation calculation. Here is the data table for the Pearson correlation calculation. Let's begin with the observed scores for the 6 participants. Each participant has a relationship satisfaction score and a life satisfaction score. The mean for the relationship satisfaction scores is 7. The mean for the life satisfaction scores is 7. In blue, we have the deviations of all the relationship satisfaction scores. The deviation for each relationship satisfaction score is calculated by subtracting the mean of the relationship satisfaction scores from the score itself. Also in blue, we have the deviations of all the life satisfaction scores. The deviation for each life satisfaction score is calculated by subtracting the mean of the life satisfaction scores from the score itself. In pink, we have the square of the relationship satisfaction deviations for each score. These squared deviations are summed to equal the sum of squares for the x variable of relationship satisfaction. With these data, the sum of squares for the x variable is 8. Also in pink, we have the square of the life satisfaction deviations for each score. These squared deviations are summed to equal the sum of squares for the y variable of life satisfaction. With these data, the sum of squares for the y variable is 16. Finally, we have the products of the x deviation and the y deviation. With positive correlations, the sum of these products will be positive. With negative correlations, the sum of these products will be negative. These deviation products are summed to equal the sum of products. With these data, the sum of products is 8. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.